Okay, let's move on to Ielts speaking part 2. Describe a person you follow on social media. You follow is present simple, present tense. Please start.
Well, I follow many persons on social media, but one person I love to follow is a comedian, which is an Indian-based comedian named Zakir Khan. I know him on a social media platform named Facebook. I search his videos, which are really interesting and really interesting and funny. So that's why I follow him and watching his
I love
videos.
to watch his
Love to
videos.
watch his videos. He posts his every content on social media through his videos. The main reason why I follow him is his content, his sense of humor, his talkative way, the way he performs his shows in the public. That's the reason why I follow him on social media.
All right, very good. 1 minute and 53 seconds. Is it good?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
पहले से
very
बेहतर है कल वाले से. सर ये तो सर कल तो
I'm sorry about that, okay? So this is how you are going to feel. Okay? Okay? So be careful. Try to speak more. आपको लग रहा होगा मैं इतना बड़ा बोल के
यहाँ पे आके
आया
confidence
यहाँ पे
low
आके
है.
इतना से
सर confidence यहाँ
No
पे आके
problem.
low हो जाता है.
I tell you how to deal with this situation. With every point, add some detail. Who he or she is, add some more detail. Elaborate further. Tell more about that person. How do you know him? Now elaborate further. Like for example, once I was watching TV and I was flipping through the channels and suddenly there was his program and I watched it for a couple of minutes and I liked it very much. At the end of the program, they gave the name of the person. So this is how I met him, and ever since I've been watching his videos.
So I write everything on my notebook, which are you saying now?
You
But
know,
on here
just
is
write
everything's
outline.
collapsed there.
I tell you, just write outline. Don't write sentences, don't write paragraphs, only outline, okay? And if you finish here, your band score will be substantially low, right? Yeah, मैं बहुत चलाक हूँ, सारी चीजें रखी हुई हैं इधर रखी. Now, let's go on. What type of people you follow on social media?
Well, I follow different kinds of people, which they have different opinions. Like in a democratic society, we respect everyone's opinions. So I follow different people. Like in politics, we should follow every kind of people with other opinions.
Don't say we should follow. Only answer
I
in
followed-
personal capacity. What type of people do you follow on social media? You can categorize your answer. First of all, I follow some politicians who are my favorite, and I love to read their tweets and watch their activities. Secondly, there are some sportsmen I follow on social media, and I am always interested about what's going on in their life and the matches that they play. And finally, I follow some film stars as well, something
Yes.
like that. This is called signposting. It'll bring you very good band score. Okay. Do you think children should use social media?
Well, it depends on their ages.
It depends.
It depends on their ages. Children are below every 10 to 14 years should not use social media as well, because it make bad impact or good impact both. But they use it in useful way, they will get extra knowledge. They use in bad ways, they will destructive their from their
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੁਣ
goals.
ਵੱਡੇ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਹੋ ਤੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੇਖਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹਾਂ. All right, thank you. This is good, but try to speak for more than a minute. And in actual exam, when examiner stops you, then you have to stop. Don't try to stop on your own. An examiner will stop you anytime after 1 minute. Okay? Yeah.